Did you know that the Subaru Forester has been one of the top-selling compact SUVs in the US for over 2 decades? It's no wonder people are eager to see what the 2025 model has to offer. The 2025 Subaru Forester is finally here, and it's generating a lot of buzz in the SUV market. As one of the most popular compact SUVs out there, the Forester has a reputation to uphold. This year, Subaru has made some exciting changes that are sure to please both old and new fans of the model. The Forester has always been known for its ruggedness, reliability, and all-weather capability, making it a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts and families alike. With its perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality, it's no wonder the Forester has remained a fan favourite for so long. But what exactly makes the 2025 Forester so special? For starters, Subaru has listened to customer feedback and made some significant upgrades to the interior, exterior, and technology. From what I've seen so far, it's clear that the automaker is serious about staying ahead of the competition. Subaru is a brand that's built a reputation on reliability, durability, and performance. With a history that spans over 6 decades, the company has consistently delivered vehicles that are designed to last. The Forester is no exception, with a legacy that dates back to the mid-90s. Over the years, the Forester has undergone numerous transformations, each one aimed at refining its performance, comfort, and features. Today, the model is considered one of the most trusted names in the compact SUV segment, with a loyal following that spans the globe. Subaru's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction has earned it numerous awards and accolades. From being named the top-ranked brand in the 2020 Vehicle Dependability Study by J.D. Power to receiving Top Safety Pick Plus ratings from the IIHS, Subaru has consistently demonstrated its dedication to building vehicles that are both safe and reliable. The Forester is a testament to Subaru's commitment to innovation and excellence. With its symmetrical all-wheel drive system, the Forester is capable of handling even the toughest terrain with ease. And with its spacious interior, comfortable seating, and generous cargo capacity, it's the perfect vehicle for families, adventurers, and anyone in between. The 2025 Subaru Forester comes with a range of engine options, including a 2.5-litre boxer engine that produces 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. You'll also get a choice of 2 transmission options, a 6-speed manual or a linear-tronic continuously variable transmission. In terms of safety features, the Forester doesn't disappoint. You'll get a range of advanced features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and sway warning. And with its EyeSight driver assist system, you'll enjoy enhanced safety and peace of mind on the road. The interior of the Forester is where Subaru has made some of the most significant changes. You'll notice a redesigned dashboard, new trim levels, and more premium materials throughout. And with available features like heated seats, a panoramic moonroof, and Harman Kardon premium audio, you'll feel like you're driving in luxury. One of the standout features of the Forester is its fuel efficiency. With an estimated EPA rating of up to 29 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway, this compact SUV is perfect for those who want to save on gas without sacrificing performance. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the 2025 Forester. On the plus side, the vehicle's all-wheel drive system is incredibly capable, and its fuel efficiency is some of the best in its class. However, some may find the interior space a bit cramped, and the price tag is certainly on the higher side of the spectrum. Compared to its main competitors, the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4, the Forester holds its own with its unique blend of performance, comfort, and features. While the CR-V may have a more spacious interior, the Forester's all-wheel drive system and symmetric design make it a more capable off-road vehicle. I had the chance to take the 2025 Forester for a spin, and I was impressed by its smooth handling and responsive acceleration. Whether you're navigating winding roads or cruising down the highway, this compact SUV is a joy to drive. In real-life scenarios, the Forester has proven to be a reliable and capable companion. Whether you're hauling gear for a camping trip or shuttling kids to soccer practice, this vehicle is up to the task. In my opinion, The 2025 Subaru Forester is an excellent choice for anyone in the market for a compact SUV. With its perfect blend of style, comfort and capability, it's hard to go wrong. I'd give it an overall rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, with the only deduction being for its slightly higher price tag. If you're in the market for a new SUV, I highly recommend taking the 2025 Forester for a test drive. And if you're a fan of the Forester, be sure to check out my other video where I compare it to other compact SUVs in its class. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on the Forester in the comments below.